Have you ever wondered what skincare secrets have stood the test of time? Today, we're going to dive into an herb that's been used over 3,000 years in Ayurveda and is now making waves in modern skincare. Centella Asiatica, Gotukola, Brahmi, those are the most common names, and this herb has been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for especially skin healing properties, and also it's been known to boost cognitive functions. Also, Centella Asiatica calms sensitive skin, boosts skin hydration, supports wound healing, fades scars by promoting collagen, and also protects from environmental damage, and even brightens skin tone. Fast forward to today. Top beauty brands are catching on. From high-end serums to everyday moisturizers, Centella Asiatica has become one of the most favorite ingredients. Now I know what you're thinking. Can I harness this Centella Asiatica at home? This beauty herb? Well, the answer is yes. Let's jump into do two wonderful formulations with Centella Asiatica, and you can benefit from this wonderful herb at home. For our first formulation, it's Centella Scar Gel. We need aloe vera gel. We're going to need vitamin E, Brahmi Gotukola powder. Okay, we're going to measure 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. It's going to be very helpful to calm sensitive skin, and especially when we have a scar, that's going to be one of the main ingredients in our formulation. So it's going to be 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, or an equivalent of 30 grams. Then we're going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of our powder, Centella Asiatica powder, and it's going to be great because it's going to improve the collagen and improves the appearance of the scars over time. And there is a compound that is called the asiaticoside in Centella, and that has been shown to decrease scar redness, and also is going to help improve the texture. Last is going to be 3 drops of vitamin E. That's going to be very helpful for our skin. Keep it in a container and keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Okay, we're going to do our next formulation, which is going to be a toner. We're going to measure 1 cup of water. Filtered water is better. And then we add 1 tablespoon of our Centella Asiatica. We boil it for about 10 minutes. After we boil it, we're going to filter it, remove all the stems and all the material, and we're going to have a clear liquid. And then we're going to add a chamomile hydrolate, and I am going to add to that like about 1 tablespoon of that chamomile hydrolate, and it's going to be very soft, very gentle for your skin, especially for sensitive skin. It's going to improve collagen. You apply it before your serum or cleaning. There you go. You have a very nice facial toner. Now our last formulation is going to be a face mask. We need multani miti clay. We're going to need Brahmi Gotukola powder and some hydrosol to make our face mask. In a container, we're going to measure 1 tablespoon of multani miti clay or Indian clay and 1 tablespoon of our Centella Asiatica powder. We're going to add some hydrosol, any hydrosol that you have in hand, or even like a mint tea or any type of tea that you have, or even just a simple water. We mix it and then we're ready to apply our face mask. This face mask is going to be wonderful for improving our skin tone, collagen, boost skin hydration, and also calm sensitive skin. We apply all over the face, and don't forget to include the neck, which is very important. It's part of our face. We leave it for about 10 minutes. And the procedure is the following. You just clean your face, apply the face mask, you wash it off, apply the toner that we prepared previously, and then we can follow with a moisturizer or a serum. That's going to be our skincare routine for the day when you want to boost your collagen and hydrate your skin. You're going to find all the ingredients in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Ayurvedic and natural formulas for beauty and health. Until next time, bye!